Today we're going to be talking about the hypothalamus. We're going to be going over things such as location and what it is and what it works with. And then we're going to be going over what it does, such as autonomic function control, endocrine function control, homeostasis, motor function control, and then things like food and water intake regulation and sleep-wake cycle regulation. And then after all of that, we're going to be going over what happens when something goes wrong.
Location!
So you just got home from the best day of your life with the sexiest man on the planet, who is also known as Shivraj. Now, you're wondering, where the heck is all this sexual arousal coming from whenever I even look at Shivraj? And through your research, you kind of find out that, well, part of it comes from the hypothalamus. And then you start to wonder, where the heck is the hypothalamus in the brain? Because, you know, something that important, something that regulates how hot Shivraj is, you know, you want to know where that is. So you take a look at this diagram here, and you find out that, oh snap, the hypothalamus is basically right in the center of the brain. It's really not even that big. If you take a look at that yellow part right in the center of the brain, you follow the one, that's the hypothalamus right there. And after this you find out you're satisfied, you know where it is, and you know why, and you know where the part of the brain is that makes you so attracted to Shivraj. God, love you, Shivraj.
What it works with!
The hypothalamus is about the size of a pearl, and it has blood vessel connections with the pituitary gland, which helps regulate growth and other hormones, and it also is part of the limbic system, which helps regulate emotions.
Function!
Also controls the autonomic nervous system.
He's dead, and I know this because he doesn't have a pulse, which means his heart stopped beating, which is part of the autonomic nervous system.
It also controls digestion, respiration, salivation, perspiration, and pupil dilation.
The hypothalamus helps with the endocrine system, which is responsible for sexual arousal and sexual intercourse. But sometimes, if there's problems with the hypothalamus, this may lead to problems with the endocrine system, therefore problems with erectile dysfunction.
The hypothalamus is also in charge of homeostasis, which keeps the chemicals in the body in balance.
Oh my god, I'm so hot!
Yeah.
No, I'm cold, like, hold me. Aren't I just so pretty? Aren't I just so pretty? Why aren't I pretty like those girls?
Yeah,
I mean,
exactly.
look at all this fat. Oh my god, let's get something to eat.
Serve Satan. Hypothalamic dysfunction.
There are many things that can cause hypothalamic dysfunction, one of them being an eating disorder.
Action?
The next, explosive tumors. Finally, too much iron in the bloodstream.
Talk too fast to where like it'll take up more time.
Yeah, but I'm just, right now, just trying to figure out what I'm actually going to say. So today we're going to be talking about...
We're not going to tell the freaking kids to smoke weed.
I wouldn't have to. Can I tell them that?
I am...